here is the nun's sister at Jim and Shirley Starkey's wedding. And the nuns were the Albrock girls. There's 3 of them at one time. Harvey's aunt, Anna Fremel. And here Shirley is getting her veil put back. They're taking pictures up on the stage with the movie camera. And these are her bridesmaids. So they took formal pictures that way, and we took movie pictures at the same time. There's Jim with his wife, newly wife. Peggy is the one off on the left. And there's Joe Mike at the bottom. I can't even tell who all of these people are anymore. There's Uncle Matt Albrocht and Rosina. They're the parents of Shirley. And that's Peggy, Shirley's sisters. And my grandma and Grandpa Albrocht were there. And Mr. Starkey and Mrs. Marie Starkey was Jim's parents. And this is Rosina's mother, Mrs. Gerber, and her dad, Mike Gerber. And there, now we got a picture of some of the aunts and uncles. That's Aunt Christina and my mom. Jerry Gerber was just on there for a little bit. And Melvin Priscillas with Uncle Matt. They're going by pretty fast on this. And now we're showing the wedding cake. Which is very pretty. Had swans on it. Now we have the cooks that are tasting the food to see if it's any good, I guess. Harvey's sister Edna is on the right. It's going too fast for me to see who they all are.